As if we wouldn't notice. We're leaving today and entering the world of yesterday, tomorrow. Okay. I'm so happy to see it. Watch where I'm walking. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm not looking yet. Oh God. It's so beautiful. Entering the best land in all of Magic Kingdom. Tomorrowland, the cup holder sign. Do you think Tomorrowland is the best land?
It's close. Really.
What would be your...
Adventureland.
Ah, Adventureland or Frontierland?
Frontierland.
But Tomorrowland is, like, it's just no beating it. And I miss the old sign because it really matched really well with Astro Orbiter.
Said the people move, it's not open.
I know! It was supposed to be open, but remember they were like, oh, it's gonna open like at the end of January.
That'll lie.
I don't know. We hope you run soon, People Mover. We really miss you.
Yep.
It's a little after 6:30. It's almost 6:40. The park closes at 8. So we have like, what, an hour and a half here. So we're not going to get too much done, but first ride is Space Mountain. Don't know if you can see that, but it says it's 35 minutes.
I'd like to ride like this in Mine Train.
Yeah.
Get 2 big rides done today.
Well, Mine Train's like an hour.
Is it?
Yeah. So if we get off this and get on Mine Train, it's probably the only ride that we can get on, which is whatever.
Let's do something else.
Disney's Hyperion Resort, if the light's off. There it is. So the wait was posted at 35 minutes, and this is where we're at right now. So the loading dock is really not far at all. And what time are we at?
25.
25 minutes. Row 7. We forgot to tell you guys we're going on 7 doors.
Sorry.
And what's the time?
27 minutes.
27 minutes. Not even 30. This is a new photo pass spot right in Fantasyland. Look how pretty this is. What a beauty. Cinderella's Royal Table is right there. All the times that I've been in Magic Kingdom, and I've never found the fountain, and here it is. And then if there's like a certain way that if you like stand or if you like get down low or something, she's like wearing the crown. A beauty. We were like really ready to leave, thinking that the park closed at 8 tonight, and we were like, okay, you ready to go? And I heard some lady next to me ask her daughter if she wanted to go on the carousel. And I was like, the park is closed. Like, how's she gonna get her daughter on a carousel? And then I checked the app and it closed at 9. Like, oh my God. So we're gonna try to ride Haunted Mansion.
We're not the smartest, in case you couldn't tell.
We're gonna try to ride Haunted Mansion and then see if I can find a particular sweatshirt that I'm looking for at the Emporium, and then try to be out before the park closes so that, you know, because the bus situation is gonna be kind of crazy. So yeah, I just can't believe we almost left and like we could have time for one more ride.
Blasphemy.
We're in Liberty Square. We're headed to Haunted Mansion. That will be the last ride of the night.
Yes.
Nice spooky ride to end our night.
Remember when we didn't like that ride? We rode it.
Oh my
our
God, I
first
know.
trip.
My sister was like, that's
After
such a good
Happily Ever
ride.
After, and we were like, this ride sucks.
Now it's like,
I was expecting to be scared. Wasn't scared. Now I'm mad.
now we're like, it's so good.
Yep. And I was also mad because like our viewing for Happily Ever After got messed up.
Yeah, because we were getting food from Casey's,
and
and we couldn't find a spot.
we were just so new at this. We were after hours.
Yeah. After Hours was a great time here. Splash Mountain. We'll see you Sunday.
And maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
You're welcome. A beautiful 5 minutes.
Short part of the day. Spiders.
Serpents and spiders, veil of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap quality, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
On a table.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
And begin to vocalize Grim Pretty Ghost on to
Scary in there. We're off Haunted Mansion, and now we are heading into Yo Christmas Shop. Oh my god. A fleece blanket. We do need an ornament. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm sure there is.
Look at these. Acrylic ornament. That's beautiful.
He's got paper over his face.
Did you see anything that you liked?
There's some nice ones over here.
Oh, a 2021. Which one do you like?
Oh, I like this one.
I know.
It's huge,
That's
big, it's
so
heavy.
pretty. Is it heavy?
Yeah, like put on a tree branch. It's heavy.
Oh, you have really heavy ornaments too.
Yeah, that one's really heavy. That one's not too heavy.
I like the Mickey one with the blocks.
Me too.
This one.
Yeah. We can get it on Sunday.
Yeah, for sure. Casey's is currently closed.
I don't want to talk
For your
about it.
dining pleasure, please visit Cosmic Race. It's not the same.
It's not.
Sorry, we are closed. I don't accept your
That's not good
apology.
enough.
Where else am I supposed to get a mac and cheese hot dog?
Cosmic Race.
They don't have it.
They don't?
No, they only have a foot long like chili one. That's not what I want. Look, famous hot dogs.
Remember how excited I was when I first found out? Check pose.
Hi, Pluto.
Pluto.
Hi, Mickey.
Hi, Mickey.
Hi.
Never so close to Mickey before.
So that's it for our day 2. It was kind of a long day today.
It was.
We're up at about 7-ish to get our boarding group of Rise of Resistance. Started in Hollywood Studios around like 10. Like once we actually got into the park, it was closer to 10. And now it's almost 9 o'clock and we're heading out of Magic Kingdom to get on the bus and go back to our resort. Tomorrow we are starting our day off in Animal Kingdom. We have a little short day tomorrow because we have a little family event to go to. All right, well on that note, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.